Good day, Custom Car World. This is Jeff Wolf with Wolf Motorsports Magazine. What we have here is Wolf Motorsports Magazine in coffee table book format, September 2022 issue, with coverage from the Custom Car Revival 2022 in Indianapolis, Indiana. Let's take a look through the coffee table book. We have 112 full color pages. Excellent photography. A real crisp and clear reproduction. If you don't have your own copy of the 2022 coffee table book, feel free to contact me via email at jeff@wolfmotorsportsmagazine.com. We will also be out at La Quinta here in a couple weeks for the 2023 Custom Car Revival. We'll be shooting still photography and video for upcoming footage of the 2023 Custom Car Revival. Feel free to come up, say hello, introduce yourselves, and let's talk about how you can get your own copy of the 2022 and 2023 coffee table book covering the Custom Car Revival. Thank you very much and have a great weekend.